Hey everyone, here is Anis Alomar from the business of Archviz. Today I have a special guest, Theo from HEDRA Visuals, and Theo was here at the Mastermind we had from 11th to 13th of May 2024. And he is going to share his experience about what the information he have seen in the Mastermind and what this information has enabled you. Also, I'm going to ask him about his feedback. Theo, welcome. Thank you
Hi,
for attending, and please introduce yourself to the audience.
hi guys. Hi Anis. Thank you for having me. I'm Theo. I am the owner and founder of HEDRA Visual Studio, and we had a really great and intense 3 days mastermind with Anis.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you. So, Theo, if you go back to the time when I told you there is a mastermind, I'm going to make a mastermind. And I told you that it's going to be about business development, about the overall structure of business, the 9 parts, and all of that. What expectations did you have when I told you that? I mean, like everyone is coming to somewhere, starting a mastermind or master class. They have some expectations before it starts.
hmm
Would you
hmm
mind sharing with me what did you have in mind at that time?
Yeah. Well, when you are going to attend and a mastermind like this, a training like
Mhm,
this, um, you are always waiting to have some answers that you cannot answer yourself
mhm,
unless you have the experience to answer them.
mhm,
You learn the bad way. But the expectations you have for a mastermind like this is to learn how to develop your business, how to run the business, where is your position to the market,
mhm,
and what you should do better, what you have to improve, and everything. So
mhm.
yeah, mastermind was something that I really had in mind to attend.
Great, great. Um, as you said, it was intense on you and other members. Also, it was intense
Mhm.
on my side. Um, if you would describe your feelings throughout the 3 days, the first day, second day, third day, how would you describe it? I mean, which day was the best day for you? I mean, I would say,
Well, I will try. I will start with the worst day.
yeah,
Okay, the worst day was the first day.
mm,
I want to leave.
yeah, yeah. It
No,
was too
I
much.
said
Yeah,
I said to myself, no more. I don't want to learn more. I, I am
yeah.
very confused.
Okay,
No more.
okay,
But again, I'm just kidding.
yeah, yeah.
The first
That's good.
day was mainly theoretical parts of business structure and things like that.
Mm,
But on the second day was the best day, okay, where we started all this to come in place. I
mm,
mean, with the diagrams
mm,
uh, and the examples, all the things we did. The second day was the best one.
mhm. Perfect, perfect. If you would say three benefits you have seen or you have received from those 3 days,
hmm
what would they be?
Well, the first one is knowledge. Okay,
Mhm,
knowledge about business model in general. I
mhm,
mean, not only for our Archviz business, but
mhm,
in general, you can after the mastermind, I can understand better even a cafe or
Oh
a
yeah,
restaurant
yeah,
how it
perfect,
works.
perfect.
Yeah, yeah,
I
it's a
didn't
business.
think about that, but like that's a good side effect, I would say.
Yeah, yeah. You understand in general the business model. Okay,
Mhm,
so when you read an article for a business, you understand immediately how they work, who are the
mhm,
clients, how they do it, and everything.
yeah,
Knowledge is the first one. Okay,
mhm,
I mean knowledge in general for the business model.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, the second thing I learned is who are um, who are the clients we want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, not the clients we have now, but the
Mm-hmm.
clients
Yeah.
we want to have. Okay,
Yeah.
uh, who are the clients and how they think.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is really important for me. I mean for every studio, not only for me.
Mm-hmm.
So if you understand how your client thinking, um, how what he wants, you can offer them better services, consult them better, and
Mm-hmm.
business will go better. The third thing is the actions someone has to do for a business or a studio to grow.
Yeah.
Um, for myself, I have a fourth thing that I
Mm-hmm.
have to mention
Mm-hmm.
is that I learned not to be shy for my work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a huge thing I think for people there. Um, there always be someone better. There always be someone worse.
Mm-hmm.
But you have not to be shy for your work. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I was shy for my work. I I thought that we are not doing good work, or the quality of the images or the services is not good. Yeah, I learned that they are good. We're doing good. We can do better. That's
Perfect. Perfect. Great. That was the bright side. Let's talk about the dark side.
yeah.
So, if I'm going to do this mastermind in I mean in the next 3 months, I would say.
hmm
So,
hmm
what should be improved in next version of this mastermind?
Well, for me, I think that um, even though that we did all those diagrams on those analysis on other businesses, other studios, or analysis of clients,
Mm-hmm.
we did them on I mean on track. We did them
Mm-hmm.
at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
I think they should be ready and presented. I mean,
Oh, okay. Okay.
yeah, I mean, you could have the diagrams ready, or the
Mm-hmm.
business models of other studios ready, or clients, or
Yeah. Yeah.
everything ready, and just explain them. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Um, yeah, this is one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Regarding the theory, Matteo and Lasse also had a nice proposition of preparing some video tutorials that
Yeah.
someone is obligated to watch before he attends.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is also might
Amazing. Amazing.
be
Yeah.
a good thing. Yeah. Other than that, it was intense.
Mm-hmm.
Some days we were overwhelmed, but in general, it's a great experience
Mm-hmm.
for someone who
Mm-hmm.
wants to learn and develop his business.
Great. Great. For the first point, and it was on intention that we do it together. You
Yeah,
see, like the analysis, because I wanted to walk you through how you should think when
yeah,
you look to other business.
hmm
But
hmm
like, yeah, I see your point. I mean, I can analyze many
yeah.
businesses and
Not
present
all
it.
of them, but it is good
Yeah,
that we had to think
yeah,
of what we learned on the first day, and we
yeah,
had
yeah,
to think to implement it on the second day.
yeah.
It is a good thing. It is a good thing, but some of them could
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, that's
be
true.
ready.
Especially the first day. The first day, I'm really considering having it like pre-recorded, ready, and anyone who will come, they should
Yeah,
be
yeah.
prepared.
This would be great.
Cool, cool. And if you would recommend someone to like attend this mastermind, who should that one be, in your opinion?
You mean if he could
If an
be?
Archviz artist is
Yeah,
looking to attend, um, Who should? I mean, it is not for everyone. That's something we talked about.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, who do you
It is
think this are a good fit for this mastermind?
okay. I think it is for someone that he wants to grow. I
Mhm.
mean, he has the vision of growing, of creating a studio, of making more money.
Yeah.
If someone is, I mean, he's a 3D modeler, okay, and
Mhm.
he's okay of doing 3D modeling and just needs some more clients doing 3D modeling and everything, it's not
Mhm.
for him.
Yeah.
But if someone wants to develop a business, to run a studio with employees or and
Mhm.
business model and always be on track and
Mhm.
go to other markets and everything should be attend.
Perfect. Perfect. And in case someone is in the is within the right fit, okay, and thinking about getting in, I mean, attending, and they are a little bit hesitant, okay.
Hmm.
What would you tell them? I mean, why do you think they should join?
Yeah. Uh, well, they should join. As I said before, they should join because they will understand how is business
Mhm.
and what is business.
Yeah.
It- the, the thing is that they live from the mastermind. After finishing the mastermind, they will be so much confident about what to do next.
Mhm.
That is, this is the most valuable thing, I think.
Mhm.
Because we are artists, we have doubts, what we should do, how should we reply, where are in the market, and what should we do next, and how all this translates to a business model. Okay,
Yeah.
so definitely for someone who thinks of attending, please do it. Please do it.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you very much. Um, from my side, I really have no questions. If you would like to add one last thing, as maybe your tip for people who are looking to grow their business, what would you say?
Well, regarding, I have
Mhm.
a tip for those that are looking to attend in
Mhm.
your mastermind. The small talks behind the mastermind are also a very valuable thing. You
Yeah.
will learn a lot about experiences of other guys that will be there, and you will see that you're not alone. You're not
Mhm.
alone. You're not struggling alone. All of us we are struggling. So
Yeah.
also this is um, a very plus thing
Yeah.
for the mastermind. Yeah,
You know what? I can speak about. I mean, it's not only for you. I mean, you have learned. I also learned more about everyone.
yeah.
When we were here in the mastermind, we were talking with Lassie and Matteo, with you as well. And we were talking about different case studies, ups and downs, all of that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We finish,
Mm-hmm.
we go to lunch at the table while we are eating, while we are taking our lunch. We speak more about more struggles, more specific case studies, more specific clients, and what that artist or that person has done in that case. And
Mm-hmm.
it was also a trigger for me to remember another case studies. It's like I don't really remember everything on the
Yeah,
go
yeah,
sometimes when I
yeah,
am here.
yeah, yeah,
And that was for me really very great experience, I would say.
yeah.
Um,
For all of
um,
us, it's the same. Yeah, for all of us.
yeah, yeah. Cool, cool, amazing. Thank you very much, Theo, and see you next year. I mean, next year we're
Thank
going
you,
to
Anis.
meet again and we will
Thank you
see
very much.
how business grew. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you very
Goodbye.
much. Bye, guys. Bye.